Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We're here on Friday. We're going to see what opportunities await for us today. So let's see, we're going to look at the 4-hour here. Still underneath. Yesterday we came down a lot. Trying to get a little bounce back up, coming into the 9 moving average there. 15 minute, trying to get a little relief bounce. So let's look around here. Let's see what we have. In terms of opportunities, we have a short setup right here on the hourly. Just about came into there. 30 minute dropping down. There's a long setup there. But on the hourly, we're already breaking and we're rejecting the 4 hour. So I think we're going to wait here. We're going to see what sets up and we'll go from there. So I'm looking at, we came into the hourly short setup just about right here at 20. We did get a nice move back up. If we get a little bit more of a push, I'll take that short. Tight stop. I'll grab that there at the hourly short setup. Look to grab it, cover into the 20 on the 5 minute. Let's go around and look here. 15, 30 minute. Yeah, we'll take a little scalp back down. I'll grab it there. Quick little trade. First trade today, 120, getting that hourly short back down into the moving averages. Not bad. We'll take that. See what we grab next. We have a massive 5-minute candle range here. We did come into the 9 on the hourly again, almost into the 20 on the 30 minute. There was a previous long setup that we held and retested there. A little bit through that 15-minute setup though. We'll see what happens here on the 5. I would be interested in taking this long near the bottom here and then stop under the lows. Let's see if we can get that entry. Dom is screwed up again. I don't know where we are. 57.75. 42.75. Yeah, fine. That's a nice stop underneath this local level. Higher low, higher low. There we go. Same thing. Gonna look to take it back into the moving averages here. The low of this candle. Let's see if we can't get that push back up. We are sitting on that 9 on the hourly. Just trying to get in towards the bottom of the range there. Holding that lower high. So popping up here. I don't know if that order... I already have. We'll get out 3. We'll get out another. put out another there. We'll take it off. That'll do it.
Order working.
There's the sound. Couple of quick trades here this morning. Nice little bounce back, reclaiming some of that drop, holding the 9 on the hourly and higher lows. We have a new 5-minute candle opening here in about a minute and a half. So let's see what happens here, and potentially could take it again for the move higher. I do like this level here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
That was a stupid trade. Let's see where we close it. If we close it underneath,
Order filled.
we'll grab a short there on the retest 5-minute PCL. We broke the trend. We broke this lower level here. So looking to see if we can get some continuation back down into some support, the base that we built yesterday, around 1610.
Order working.
Yeah, want to get it into that base here. It's fighting the prior higher low there and the lows. Just looking for some continuation down after breaking the trend. I have the 4-hour long right here as well. So far, so good. We're heading down lower here, breaking these levels, looking for that 4-hour long, looking for that base that we set up. Getting the flush, but they're buying it back up here. That was into the 20 on the hourly, so definitely could see why some buyers stepped up there. I was thinking about covering a few after that large push down. I have a new 5-minute candle opening here in about 1 minute. One more sweep down. I'll take off 3. And then we'll hold 2. Where's my little 16, 14, 75? See where they close this candle. Trying to close it within. Ooh, they do close it right underneath of it. Buying it all the way back up. Coming back down here, struggling at that level, that retest level where we initially shorted it.
Order rejected.
Because I already have the 5 orders out.
Order filled. Order filled.
We'll grab a couple there.
Order filled.
Near the lows. And then as it comes down lower, we can get out a couple more. But definitely want to take some off after we've been respecting this 20 on the hourly. Should have gotten it on the first move down. Glad we were able to come back down there, give a second chance.
Order working. Order working.
We're going to put the remainder 2 near that 4-hour long setup. We do have the 4-hour hourly top of the hour here closing in about 3 minutes. See if we can get that push down. Can they break it before the top of the hour? We might get that move back up. Near the lows. Got a sweep of the lows there.
Order working.
I'm gonna try and grab one there. as we swept the lows and got bought back up. Yeah, holding on to that hourly 20. Not letting go. We have about 1 minute left. We get another sweep back down. I'll look to take off another one here. I would like to try and get off majority here into the close of this hour.
Order filled.
I'll take off one there. We're holding one.
Order working.
See if we can get that last one. Grab the last one there. Want to be all out before the top of the hour. Not sure what we have in store. If we're going to run it back up first. If we're going to have buyers coming in. So, no problem there. We've just been holding on to that 20. Could very well go through here at the top of the hour.
Order filled.
I'll grab it long there. Put the stop in at 05.25.
Order working.
I like this level here. We're sitting on the 20 on the hourly after having a huge downwards pressure. In the structure of the 5-minute candles. See if we can hold the 4-hour here. Quick little flush down into that 4-hour setup. See if they just send it through.
Stop filled.
Tag me out there. We are on the hourly.
Order filled.
I'm going to grab it again. I do like this base that we're on. Even though we broke the 20, we broke the 9. We're at a really nice spot that we set up where longs could step up and get in here. 94.
Order working.
Gonna put my stop underneath these levels here. It's going right through again. Not able to hold that hourly level. Technically, you could say there's another hourly there, but catching the falling knife again. Let's see if it can hold this structure.
Stop filled.
Tagged out again, breaking the lows here. Similar to yesterday, we got that move up and then just lots of selling pressure coming in the market. Falling back down here. Yeah, we might actually come into the lows here, get a double bottom.
Order filled.
I'll grab that short there. We're coming back in to retest the low of the previous 60-minute candle. Also the 9 EMA, at least for a short-term resistance point. Also on the 5, after crossing bearish, we're coming back up into the 9 moving average. So far rejecting the 9, about 4 points from that PCL where we got short. $15-minute candle going to close here soon. So definitely would look to take it off near the lows here at 2150.
Order working.
Let's see if we can't get that move back down. Trying to push back down into that level there. Oof, we opened right on that 5-minute long setup. Still into the 9. Let's see if we can't drop down a little bit for that 15-minute long setup first and get out. Hopefully it doesn't just take off. Yeah, we were just coming back up into that 5-minute. And the 15-minute candle open. Yeah, should have taken it off there, 24 with 3 points. I mean, this point, if we break the low here of this candle and go red, we'll probably see some continued downwards pressure. If that happens. Stop is above the 15-minute short setup. Should have been out there on that 5-minute candle open, that short little dip. Definitely reassessed and watch for the next trade. but did not. Was looking for a little bit more of a drop. Didn't quite get it there, so let's take a look here. We're still under the 15-minute short setup. We're still under the hourly 9. We hit the hourly short to the penny. Got our stop. So no worries there. Had lower volume here on this big doji near the bottom than the drop. Let's see what plays out here. See if we can't get some more downward pressure on the selling, bring us back down, potentially into 600 level or so. So far, rejecting the 15-minute short setup, rejecting the hourly short setup, 30 minutes coming into the moving averages. So we have a good entry. We have a good spot. Could have taken that initial setup off there, but still in play for the short side. Bears and Bulls duking it out live right here. See if we can get some pressure on the downside. We're gonna have a new 5-minute candle open. It is a 1, 2, 3 short setup as well, closing within as of right now after making a new high. Under the 9 as well. Looks like we can get some downward pressure. A little bit change of trend. Lower volume, buy up. Managed to break the low. So after this candle, all these candles here, new low, new low, new low, these new high, not breaking the low. This candle was able to break the low. So far, we've not made a new high on this candle. So nice little change of trend here on the short term. 15-minute candle crossed bearish here at the 9 and 20, and then should repaint, be just about close to tapping the 9, which it likes to reject a lot. It'll definitely, like yesterday, really follow that 9 moving average on the 15 after we get the trend all the way down. So a little bit of relief. We'll see what happens. Might be something similar to here, relief, lower volume, and then send it back down, higher volume on the move lower. So let's see what plays out. Looking for pressure back into that 600 level. Made the new low, got some strong buys coming in. Trying to push it back up. There we go. Crack of the lows.
Order working.
I want to see some there at 1050.
Order filled.
Nice. Nice strong sweep down.
Order filled.
Get out another one. Right at the open and close of these candles here. And then the last one will get out right around 1600. And we'll take the last one out right there as we come into 16. So, good trade. That initial trade could have gotten out right there, and then we could have re-entered on that 5-minute candle here after having a 1, 2, 3 short under the 9. Recognize we were still under the short setups on the 15-minute. On the hourly as well. Came into that level under the 9, coming back down, trend change here. So good recognition on the trade. And let's look to the next one. New 15-minute, new 30-minute. There's that 77 level.
Order working.
Back into the prior lows.
Order filled.
All right, we got the entry. I really would like to risk over 95. I'm risking 195 on the trade. I'll give it a little bit more room. I'm fine with 150. 15-minute short setup, PCL coming back into the lows. Not my favorite trade. The setup is there. But getting this feeling like we're just going to go straight through. Let's see if we can't get some pressure back down here. Oh, we're getting some rejection off the 5-minute short. 15-minute short. There are definitely some sellers showing up here. I'm looking for just a quick move back down here. This trade, something about it, just, you know, shorting near the lows. I like the short up here. I like the short up here. The short here is a little bit sketch. I'll be honest with you. So I'll take the quick scalp trade down, and I'm fine with that. You know, we're already coming into 10:30 here. Come on, just give me a little bit more.
Order filled.
Take it off there. We're up 518.50 on the day. Not in love with that trade. Glad I took it off there. I do think we're just gonna break this and continue higher. Not the risk reward I wanted. I was risking like 150 there to give it enough room for that 5-minute PCL for 100. So not my typical trade. Look at that. Open 5, come back up. So happy with that sell. We're going to end it there. Video should be up soon. When you guys watch it, it'll probably be the afternoon. I will update like always any more trades, but I think I'm done for the day. And we'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.